Hey everybody, today we're going to go to learn how to share your screen in Google Meet. Broadcasting your display allows other meeting participants to see your presentations, documents, or active browser tabs in real time. First, open your active Google Meet call screen. Move your cursor to the bottom toolbar menu and click on the Share Screen button shaped like a square box with an upward pointing arrow. A browser window prompt will instantly pop open on your dashboard screen, showing 3 different display options. Click on the Chrome tab option if you only want to broadcast a single web page layout and need to stream high-quality audio from a video. Click on the Window option if you want to share a specific standalone application layout, like an open document or slide deck, while keeping the rest of your desktop private. Click on the Entire Screen option if you need to switch back and forth between multiple software programs and don't mind sharing your whole display. Click directly on the specific thumbnail preview image inside your chosen tab to select the asset you want to show. Look at the bottom left corner of the prompt box and click the Share Audio toggle switch to turn it on if your presentation includes sound files. Click the Share button at the bottom right corner of the prompt box to instantly start broadcasting your live screen track. To stop sharing at any time, look at the top notification banner or go back to the bottom Google Meet toolbar and click on the Stop Sharing button. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.